Hi guys. Today I'm going to be talking about apes and why I think they're one of the most unusual living things. One of the many reasons I believe they're one of the most unusual living things is because they're the closest relative to human beings. We share a lot of similarities, like especially physical, but brain scans of apes show how smart they can be just like humans. Apes are extremely intelligent. They can understand language and learn it too. The reasons they don't speak is because their voice box, unlike ours, sits lower in their throat. And that's the same thing for human babies too. That's the reasons when they're first born, they can't really speak because their voice box is really low. And as they get older, for human beings, as they get older, their voice box gets higher and higher. So they're able to form sounds and speak. But apes can't do that. So they use sign language, or they're taught sign language, and they're really smart about it. They can make their own words. They can't form complex sentences, but they can communicate with one another. And that's how zookeepers communicate with apes. Apes are divided into two groups. Great apes, such as gorillas, orangutans, bonobos, and chimpanzees, and lesser apes. Although apes get mistaken for monkeys quite a lot, they belong to a different branch of salmon invertebrates, and many traits set them apart. For one, apes don't have tails, but monkeys do. And the reason being is that the upright stance in an ape enables the lumbar region, which causes the loss of the tail. Let's see. The reason that apes are capable of such intelligence is because they are humanity's closest living relatives. According to Elena Bradford, Life Science, some apes share about 98% of their DNA with humans, which means that humans and apes have a very far distant relative. We have many physical and cognitive differences. While they do not share identical blood types, they are comparable and very similar to our own ABO blood types. According to the National Zoological Park, humans and gorillas' bodies are much alike. Diseases can be transmitted from humans to gorillas and vice versa. As you can see, apes are very unusual, interesting, and amazing creatures. Their intelligence makes them not only strong predators, but better teams when they are in packs. They can sense they're in danger, and a lot of stems from their relative to humans, not only in the psychological manner, but in the physical one too. If you can see right here, the differences between apes, monkeys, and some lemurs. And as you can see in the picture, humans and apes are in the same group, unlike monkeys. And in this other picture, you can see two baby gorillas, and you will see that they have no tails. Well, that concludes my speech. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.